Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Cheryl here today, Around the House with Cheryl, and today I'm going to be doing a review on the Dollar Tree's LA's, or you can get it anywhere, but it's LA's Totally Awesome. So if you want to see how this stuff works, stick around. I'll be right back. Okay guys, at the Dollar Tree you can get this 32 fluid ounce bottle of the LA's Totally Awesome. It's as seen on TV. I don't recall seeing it on TV, but there it is. You could use it on a variety of things around the home, businesses, what else does it say? Auto, RV, and boats. I don't use it really on glass, but you could use it on pet stains, walls, woodwork, window frames, floors, carpets, upholstery. I haven't tried it on all these. I've tried it on my stovetop, tile, and I'm getting ready to show you, if you watched my previous video, I showed you a review of the Shark Steam Mop and how the mop head looked after I cleaned the floor. And so now I'm going to show you how this stuff cleans the mop head. So before we get into that, I want to remind you, if you're new to my channel, thanks so much for stopping by and welcome. And think about it. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and tap the bell twice so you don't miss out on any of my future videos. Okay, so let's get started into cleaning. Okay guys, I am back. You can see the sink. You can see how dirty it is. I'm sorry. I don't have gloves on. You can kind of see how the white has come back in some of this. And so I'm going to take the water out. You see how dirty the water is? Back up, and what I normally do is I put some more of this on there, just spray it on there. I had let it set in the sink for about 10 minutes, and I take a little bit of dishwashing detergent and water. To help. You see, it's coming cleaner. It's not going to be white, y'all. So, and you're not supposed to put bleach on these mop heads. But you can put I guess you could if you wanted to, put a tad of bleach in there. But I just squeeze it. Look at the water, y'all. See how this LA Totally Awesome is totally awesome. And so we're going to spray, I'm going to spray some on this little corner here that's really dirty. So we can see what happens. But you could see why I was like, darn. But imagine you put this in a bucket and mop your floor. It really will get up dirt that you thought you didn't have on your floor. You can see some parts are getting whiter. And I'm just going to keep spraying it because I want it to be a little bit cleaner than this. I want to rinse the water. I don't want to keep rinsing it with dirty water. Fill this up with a little bit of water. And I'm just scrubbing it with my hand. It's not going, like I said, it's not going to be clean and back to white like the mop head I showed you previously, but at least I know that most of the dirt is out. I'm going to scrub it that way. But these little ends, I want to get those partly way clean. But I mean, this stuff works great on grease and other dirt. I just wanted to come on here and show you how it works on this mop head. And it, you know, some of you might think, oh, it didn't do nothing, but if you watch my previous video or review that I did on the steam mop, you'll see how dirty this thing was prior to me. See, it's clean on the back, but that's because it don't have dirt on it. But yeah, so I'm just gonna let this soak, and eventually I'll get more of the dirt out. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and I will see you guys on the next one. Thanks so much for watching. Talk to you on the next one. Bye bye.